Hi and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix YouTube middle click not working. So first, what you can do is to check your mouse. So before jumping into troubleshooting, take a moment to inspect your mouse. The problem may not be specific to YouTube, but could be related to a hardware issue with your mouse. Ensure that there are no faults or malfunctions with your mouse. Next, what you can do is to turn off inline player. So what you need to do to turn off the inline players, first is to open YouTube on your laptop. And then click on the your profile. And then select settings from the menu. And then under the settings, click playback and performance. Locate the inline playback option next to the browsing at the bottom. And then turn off the inline playback by toggling the switch. So inline playback is a feature that automatically plays videos when you hover over them on the home and search pages of YouTube. So some users have reported that disabling this feature has resolved the issue on the open in new tab option not working. Next is to middle click on the title instead of thumbnail. So instead of middle clicking on the thumbnail of a YouTube video, try middle clicking on the video title. It has been observed that middle clicking on the title opens the video in a new tab, effectively bypassing the issue. Fourth, what you can do is to update the mouse driver. So an outdated mouse driver could be culprit behind the middle click not working on YouTube. So to address this, consider updating your mouse driver by following the steps. So first, click on the search bar next to the Windows icon and search for Device Manager. So in the list of hardware, select mouse or mice and other pointing devices, and then expand the mouse menu and find your mouse, and then right click on the connected mouse and select the update driver. So once the mouse drivers are updated, you'll just need to restart your computer. Next is to use Chrome extension. So consider using a Chrome extension specifically designed to address the issue of the YouTube middle click not working, because some users have reported success with certain extensions that fix this problem. So install the recommended extension in Chrome to resolve the middle click issue. And that is all for today's video, and I hope you learned something, and if you did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.